Hi, my name is JC and I'm going to be showing you how to add images onto your personal website using Wix. And I'm currently using the free version. So I currently created pages already on my website to get started. So if you look on the left-hand side where it says pages, I'm going to go all the way down to my gallery because that's where I want to upload a lot of my images. And I've already picked a template that I may want to use. And so these photos right here are photos that I'm not going to be using. And so I'm going to be deleting them and changing them. So I always like to start with managing my photos before I change the design template or the settings. Because once your photos are uploaded, you can play around with those to see what looks best or what you might prefer your look of your website to be. So I'm gonna click manage. And these are the stock photos that I do not want. So I'm going to click select all and delete all of them. Perfect. And now I'm going to add and upload my images. So if you look on the right hand side where it says add media in orange, that is what you are going to click. And I'm going to add images. And this, where it says my images on the left, that is where you can upload your images that are on your hard drive of your computer. But what's nice about Wix is that you can upload images from your social media accounts. So if you go right next to my images, it says social images. And all of my images that I'm going to use for this website are on my Google Drive. But if you want images from Facebook or Instagram, Flickr, Google Photos, things like that, this is the perfect place to upload them. So you don't have to individually go and save them to your computer and upload. So I'm going to click Google Drive and I'm going to link up my account that has those images. Perfect. And what's great is I've already selected the images I want to use, and in Google Drive I created a specific folder which helps to keep things organized. So I'm going to click on Digital Portfolio, Photos, and I'm just going to click a few images depending on how many you want. I'm just going to click on the first 5. Perfect. And then down below on the bottom right, you're going to click Apply in blue. Now I have the images that I'm going to be using on my gallery page. So right now, image 1 is selected, and if you look on the right-hand side, this is where you can add a title, a description of your image, and even a link that will show up. And so I'll just type in group. Okay, and you can do that for certain photos or all photos. It is up to you. So now I'm going to click done on the right hand corner on the bottom and we will see what it looks like. Perfect. So this is what shows up, and now you can change the designs to see what will best fit your web page and what preferences you want. So if you look under designs, I'm just going to switch it to a different, right now I've selected this one, so I'm going to do the one above it to change the design. And if you prefer your design of your images to look like this, then you would select it. If not, you could play around with it and pick other templates. And the last thing I want to show you are the settings. So there are a few things you can do with the photos that you've selected. You can make the pictures full width, or if you would like a border on the edges, you would deselect it. And if you want certain things displayed, like the image title or the image description, this is where you check if you want to show it. If you don't want to show it, then you click it to hide it if you don't want to show any of those things. And you can also change the image quality and the image sharpening. So that is how to upload images onto your Wix website. Thank you for listening.